Alright, this guy's up in this tree here. He just threw his rope over to the next tree over. Looks like he's gonna just Superman it or whatever, I don't know. What's that called? Spider-Man. He's gonna Spider-Man it right over to the next tree over. Let's see if he does it. He's gonna unhook himself right now. Let me back it up just a little bit so you guys can see. He's unhooking himself. He's gonna put that harness through his rope, I think, is what he's doing. He did the other two trees the same way. I guess it's easier than trying to climb through that stuff, if anybody ever done that before. I don't know, that's kind of crazy to me. Well, hopefully he doesn't fall. Any bets on that he'll fall? I don't think he's gonna fall, but wait, you never know. Well, his guys down here, they're not seem to be worried about it. They're just hanging out in the shade. His rope's up tight, I think. Oh yeah, he just took his lanyard off. Oh, he's on the other. Oh, see, he's roping himself over. I don't know if you can see that. He's actually roping himself over. See, he's hooked on the top of that other tree. Man. And he's using those as a... So he's got double ropes up there. Oh, man, if that rope ever let go, that'd be scary. He's in the other tree now.
All 3 trees.
Can't really see where he is. Let me see if I can get you guys positioned a little bit better. I can't even see him. Oh, there he is. You can see his head. Wow, that's cool. I'm really far away and I'm zoomed way in, so I can go in a little closer though. Let me see. You see him? He's got to work his way through that stuff. There must be rats in there and everything. Back it up so you guys can see. Sorry about the camera wobble. I don't have my tripod or anything. I'm just videoing it for you guys who are interested. Let's see if we can get up closer here. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, he's on the other rope now. I guess he's trying to get his lanyard tied to that tree. And then he's gonna fire up his saw right now. Cut his way into it. He's not even got his lanyard hooked up. He's on the rope. Sorry about that, guys. I had you out of frame there. Wow. Those trees are probably 60, Maybe even 70 feet up. Pretty high. 60 feet probably. I guess it could be as low as 50. I'm just kind of looking at him. I'm looking at the camera, not at the tree. Okay, that's his lanyard hanging there. I don't know if you can see it. Look, that's his lanyard. So he's just trying to get himself tied in right now. He's still on a rope. I guess he's got it wrapped around the both trees. So if for some reason one of the branches that took down on one tree goes off, then the other tree still holds it. Still, that doesn't look like something I would try. Wow, there he is. Look at that. He's pulling himself back over the other tree. Wow. He's going back up that tree. You see, it's like some sort of a ratcheting method he's using with ropes. Maybe you guys can see it better. Let me just zoom in so you can see. Yeah, it's a ratcheting method. Looks pretty cool. It's pretty unique. I don't know. I've never seen a guy do this. Anybody else? See your comments on it. See what you guys think. Any ideas? Does he do anything wrong? I don't know. I don't do that kind of thing. I've never done it, so I don't know. See what you guys think. Looks kind of like it'd be sort of safe, but I don't know. Because he's got one rope up and he's got two ropes on the other tree. So it's like a safety line thing. Oh, I think he's going to climb back down. Tree's just too bushy. Maybe he's going to come back down. And I don't know what he's going to do. That's his lanyard now. He's hooking himself back in. He's off the ropes. He's off the ropes now. So he's done these other two trees. I wasn't here when this was going on. And it's pretty unique. Wow. Crazy. Anyway, I just thought you want to see that part where he's going across from tree to tree. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more of this kind of content, I put all kinds of stuff up in this channel. Talk to you in the next one.